Hello everyone, in last class, it's known that understanding the spatial relationship between the front and back of all pages in the app.
After understanding the spatial position relationship, what we need to learn is to judge where you are from the four elements. In order for users to move smoothly between pages, they must know the following 4 points to have a definite object in view. Which page is it on now? What is the content of this page? Which page can they go to from this page? For example, this is a screenshot of Apple Online Store. Over this, we can see this clearly. Which page is it now on? What is the content of this page? Which page can they go to from this page? It's all clearly and visually expressed. The image on the right shows Amazon's iPhone version of the application. The very distinctive iOS homepage can clearly indicate which page is it now on and where did they come to this page. So how should the 4 key points mentioned above be presented? These 4 points can be expressed as elements. Think about it. Usually, the title or navigation bar of a page can indicate which page is currently on. The title and contents can indicate what is the content of this page, and the navigation bar and contents can indicate which page can they go to from this page. Of course, other methods can also be used to describe this information, but usually it's described by elements. One way to describe where to get to this page is to put in effort on visual presentation. For example, in the image on the right, the most direct and simple way is to directly display the information content of where to come to this page, which can be explained by the red box on the image.
In addition to the above methods, interactive forms of expression can also be used to present the relationships of the page, and interactive forms of expression can also help users understand the path of where to come to this page.
The interaction here means that the page provides feedback on user operations. When the user moves from one page to another, designers can use simple and understandable effects or animations to help users understand the path and process of movement. Designing the before and after relationship in a way that users can intuitively know how to get here and how many steps it takes, rather than relying solely on logical explanations. Let's take an example. This is the calendar application of iOS 7. It uses zoom animation to switch the interface between years and months. In fact, if the calendar does not use the interactive zoom animation effect, it would be hard to understand its structure. Another example is the setting page of iOS system. To illustrate the context of a page, there's horizontal slide between pages. Through interactive animation effects, it displays the hierarchical relationships and structures between pages. In this way, users can more intuitively understand where they are and the position in the whole three-dimensional space, architecture, and context. Another approach we just mentioned to enable users to intuitively understand context between pages is through visual design that allows users to determine their current position. This method enables users to easily identify the current location being browsed and the category they are in at a glance. It requires the use of visual differentiation design. Then users can intuitively know where they are and the approximate range. This way, users not only know where they are, but also understand where they can go next, that is, which page they can move to. Visual differences can be roughly divided into the following 4 types. Bold font. So clearly, in the navigation bar, this word is bold, so users can know that this is the page of portrait at a glance. In addition to bold fonts, we can also change the text color. Look at the image on the right. Its title and navigation bar have been changed by text color reflecting the current page. The third method is to change the background color. Let's have a look. This is the page of Apple's official website. The position of the navigation bar on the page is displayed differently with different colored backgrounds. It can be seen that we are now at the iPod page. Next, let me show you some examples of other background colors. Basically, changing the background color is used in the navigation bar position. The background can be of any shape. The color of the background is also designed according to the overall style of the page. For example, it can be colored transparent or white. Last one, special symbols. See, this is Google Plus website page. The current location is on the profile page. As shown, a special symbol, the blue bottom